Here we are, Pleasure Point, East Side, Santa Cruz. People just out enjoying the sun on a beautiful day. Longboarders. Waves, sun, dog. Not so many waves today, but on a beautiful day like this, desire to be outdoors, get some sun, some vitamin E. This is how people get down to Pleasure Point. Old men, young men, boys, dogs, girls.